In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see clicks in Google Analytics. This skill is particularly useful if you're looking to gain insights into how users interact with your website, specifically when it comes to outbound links. Knowing where your visitors are clicking can help you fine-tune your website's design and improve user experience. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you need to do is log into your Google Analytics account. Once you're in, navigate to the admin section found at the bottom of your screen. From there, you'll need to go to the Data Streams option and select the appropriate web stream for your site. This is crucial because each web stream corresponds to a particular website or app you're tracking, and we want to make sure we're working with the right one. Now that you have your web stream open, you'll see a section called Enhanced Measurement. Make sure this option is turned on. Enhanced measurement is important because it automatically tracks different types of interactions on your website, including outbound clicks. If this feature isn't enabled, you might miss important data about how users are interacting with your site's links. Next, you'll want to click on the gear icon associated with Enhanced Measurement settings. This icon will bring you to a configuration menu where you can tweak what gets tracked. Here, ensure that outbound clicks are toggled on. Outbound clicks refer to any link a user clicks that takes them away from your website. It's important to track these clicks because they can tell you a lot about user interest and flow from your pages to other sites. With these settings configured, Google Analytics 4, or GA4, will begin logging click events for outgoing links. This process allows you to visualize the paths users are taking when they click on links leaving your site. By tracking these clicks, you'll gain a better understanding of user behavior, offering critical insights for optimization. Now, to view the data you've just set up, you have a couple of options. You can head over to the Analysis section and click on Explorations. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can go to Reports and then under Engagement, select Events. Both of these areas will allow you to filter and view the click events data you've enabled in Enhanced Measurement. This ability to analyze click data helps you understand which links are garnering the most attention and potentially driving traffic away from your site. You can adjust your strategies based on this data, whether that's improving internal navigation, adding more valuable links, or tweaking your content strategy. Taking these steps seriously can significantly improve your site's user engagement and overall performance. So, there you have it. You've successfully set up and accessed click tracking in Google Analytics. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to glean more insights from your website activity. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.